What's up, YouTube fam? I'm back. You already know what time it is. Back with the new edge. Got a white bumper this time. We got some lower and upper control arms going on the car. I'm about to try to set the camera up so you can see everything that's going on. It's probably gonna be hard to get the camera up under there with me. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see how it goes. Y'all about to see all my mistakes I already did one side, so I kind of got the mistakes out the way. I'm just gonna show y'all what's really going on. Okay, took a little fight to get it out, but I finally got it out. The old stock jump. I don't wear no gloves, I need to start. The old stock jump. The new BMR stuff. Pretty high quality. I got red because I think it'll look good up under there. I'm gonna try to set the camera back up and put everything together, make sure everything goes in smooth. And hopefully I can learn somebody something, you know what I mean? And we're gonna go for a ride, see how it ride, and we're gonna get this thing finished up before it rains. I got everything installed on the car. I had a little bit of bad luck. I set my phone down there. I press record, it's recording. It got 3 seconds worth of footage, man. 3 seconds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show y'all how everything look. I'm gonna get it back on the ground. We just gonna go for this ride along. And I'm sorry if I couldn't help nobody install them. You know how I took them off. You seen how I took them off. You know how to put them back on. That's all I can say. The tires and stuff back on. You can see that's the lower and the upper. You can actually see it. Actually look good. That red and that orange. So finna get it back on the ground. We're gonna go for a ride along. the rear end, it does feel a bit more stiff, and it's not as bouncy as a ride. You know what I mean? I never really launched this car, but we about to give it a shot. Make sure ain't nobody behind me. Pretty slow, pretty slow, but I can feel the difference in just installing those control arms, man. It rides a lot smoother than what it did. It'll be a 2003. You got 20-year-old suspension on here, and upgrading it, it's definitely an upgrade. So shout out to BMR. If you want to upgrade your suspension, that's the way to go. I went solid all the way through. I didn't do adjustable because I don't track the car or anything. I just daily it. Sometimes, really not a daily, just a weekend car. It's not much of a driver really. So we finna wrap this video up. All right, YouTube gang, that's pretty much it. I got the control arms on, the lower and the upper, and the car rides a lot better, man. It's a lot smoother. I mean, it's not as smooth as a S550 or anything, but with it being a 20-year-old car, it did its job. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. Shout out to BMR. And I'll be using some more of this suspension when I go up front and do the control arms. I'm out. Catch me next time. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. I don't know, man. Just hit me up, man. I'm out.